We have a go for main engine start. We have main engine start. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
11 Houston, whenever you're possessed of a free moment there, we've got this evasive maneuver phase.
Go ahead, Houston. Apollo 11, copy.
Apollo 11, this is Houston, evasive maneuver, SPS GNN, 63481, plus 095, minus 020, GETI, 004, 40, 0100, plus 00051, plus all balls, plus 00190. Roll is your option. Pitch 213-357. Now 44 is NA. Delta VT 00197. 003 00152. The rest of the pad is NA. No LH. Lem weight 33290. Read back over.
plus 095 minus
plus 00051 plus all zeros plus 001990. Roll crew option 213357.